EA Sports. It's in the game.
I'm Marshall Faulk, your official Madden NFL 13 ratings correspondent. Be sure to visit the Madden NFL Facebook page to cast your vote for the top defensive player in speed, tackling, hit power, and man coverage. This week, let's take a look at the top 10 overall defensive players in Madden NFL 13. At number 10, Buffalo Bills defensive end Mario Williams. Overall rating, 97. This long, lanky quarterback sack specialist knows how to get the quarterback down. At number 9, the Baltimore Ravens free safety Ed Reed. Overall rating, 97. This guy is a quarterback in the secondary, lurking to catch interceptions. At number 8, Pittsburgh Steelers strong safety Troy Polamalu. Overall rating, 97. He's just a flat-out playmaker, people. He makes plays. At number 7, Baltimore Ravens defensive lineman Haloti Ngata. Overall rating, 97. He's the offensive lineman's nightmare. At number 6, the Chicago Bears defensive end Julius Peppers. Overall rating, 97. On a pass play, you need to double team this guy. At number 5, the San Francisco 49ers defensive end Justin Smith. Overall rating, 98. This guy really stuffs the run, but oh yes, he knows how to rush the passer as well. Number 4, the Minnesota Vikings defensive end Jared Allen. Overall rating, 98. This rhinestone cowboy knows how to sack a quarterback. Number 3, the San Francisco 49ers middle linebacker Patrick Willis. Overall rating, 98. From sideline to sideline, he's a tackling machine. And number 2, the Dallas Cowboys outside linebacker DeMarcus Ware. Overall rating, 99. If you need a sack, call DeMarcus Ware. And number 1, the New York Jets cornerback Darrelle Revis. Overall rating, 99. When he covers a receiver man, that guy is X'd out of the game. Check back next week when we unveil the top 10 overall players in Madden NFL 13.